Today we're going to learn about the drill down features in Robot Monitor. Let's get started. What we're looking at is my production dashboard, and we can see that on my Wisdom partition we're using 46% of our CPU for batch. So one of the ways that I can drill down on data in Robot Monitor in a dashboard is simply to double click on the indicator, whatever it is, a vertical bar or piece of text, and that will take me into the data that's been collected over the past few hours. So I've got 4 hours of data being shown here in the bar chart, and from here I can hover on any of the data points that I want to drill down to, and that will take me to the detailed 30-second data. So when this was collected on April 6th at 13:22 and 34 seconds, these were the jobs that were consuming the most CPU at that point in time. So every 30 seconds, Robot Monitor collects the top consuming CPU jobs, jobs with the worst response time, highest disk I/O, and highest CPU using SQL. From here we can drill down further. You can see my highest CPU consuming workload is this big bad job. So I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to work with that job. And this basically will take you to the display job information, including library list, call stack, and job log. Likewise, if I wanted to take some action on this job, there are action options: change, hold, release. I could even end that job from this display. Now, if you're in a system view, in this case we're looking at the Wisdom system that has that batch workload, I have that metric displayed. I'm collecting CPU utilization just for the QBatch subsystem. There's another option. I can right click and I can go to Show Details. Show Details shows me the jobs that constitute my workloads, in this case batch jobs consuming CPU. Any of the metrics that we collect over a subset of the workloads on your systems can be displayed this way. And then likewise you can highlight this job and drill into it using the work job information. Additionally, this display details window can be pinned to your GUI. So using the auto hide, we can then create a window that will pop up and auto hide automatically for this particular metric. And we can do that for any of the metrics. For instance, for my CPU related to JDBC, show details, pin that. Now I've got that as an auto hide drop down as well. Now additionally, for those jobs that use SQL, we have an additional drill down feature. So let's pick on one of these jobs. If there is any SQL payload being associated with the job, quite common in the QZDA, SO, and Init world, you will see an SQL tab as well. So you'll be able to see what the SQL statement is, what the IP address is from this view. If you have any additional questions on the Robot Monitor drill down features, please contact technical support. Thanks for listening.